everybody, here I am again on the rogue+wolf channel hosting another makeup tutorial for you guys. This time I'm doing the look I did for the Safe Word collection. Everybody has been showing so much love that we decided we should create also a tutorial for what we did for this look. And if you want to know how I got to this, then get ready for the next frame because I'm not wearing shit, and keep on watching. So, as many of you may not know, this is where I start filming, so this is the first clip, and that is probably why you can sense a different voice tone, because I always start more calm and then at the end I get really hyped, so I'm still in that like calm phase, I guess. So as cool as this wig may be, I'm gonna have to like part it so I can do the eyes, and it's gonna look really ugly. So let's get ready for weirdness. And okay, wow. Okay, so to spare everybody the pain of having to look at the lace cap I have on, I actually have two, I'm just gonna like keep this Misfits beanie on for as long as I need to have it on to get everything done, okay? It's not the prettiest look, but so of course I've already primed the skin with some coconut oil, which is the best thing for me. For me that I have dry skin and I have to wear full-on makeup for a long time like I do for shootings, it is the best thing because it keeps your skin moisturized. For me that I have dry skin, is perfect, and it does help to keep the foundation in place the entire time. So the first thing I'm going to use is the Creolin TV stick in the shade 406, which is one of the palest they have, I think, and I'm going to use this as a base for everything. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use some Kat Von D Beauty Lock It Foundation in the shade Light 41, I'm sorry. This is perfect to create just a simple base and then give the coverage with this one, instead of just blending it with the natural skin tone, as I'm looking to create something really just pure, pale white. Now I'm gonna add some Lock It concealer in the shade White Out, which is just pure fucking white. Okay, and now to set this gigantic amount of foundation, I'm gonna use the Mystifying Mattifying setting powder from Lunatic Cosmetic Labs. This is honestly one of my favorite pressed setting powders. Now to make this even more white, I'm gonna use their contour book in the first volume. I will be using this white shade right here. Now moving on to the eyes, I'm gonna have to bring the mirror a little closer. I'm really sorry, but you know I cannot see shit without glasses, so I'm gonna start by using the NYX Jumbo pencil to create a base to start the smoky eye. This looks terrible, but it will look good in a second. So now I'm gonna use the Light and Shade palette from Kat Von D Beauty. And of course I'm gonna use the black, which is almost gone, you know. really perfect as I wanted to. It's very difficult to do makeup in a set where I have to record rather than just doing it normally in the bathroom. Now I'm just gonna fill in the eyebrows as well, just a little bit. I don't need to overdo them because they're gonna be covered with hair, but I still enjoy to just get them done so it doesn't look nasty. Now moving on to the part that I hate the most, I'm gonna do the lashes. And I'm gonna use the Worth the Hype mascara from NYX Cosmetics. They were kind enough to send one to me and I really like it. And I'm gonna use my usual eBay crap falsies. They look good, but like they're not that good, so you know. Also, I forgot to bring that thing that curls the lashes, but I don't think it does anything either way, so. Okay, so now that I'm starting to look like a basic hardcore bitch, I'm gonna move on to my favorite part, which is a contour, and I'm still gonna use the Untitled Cosmetic palettes, Untitled Wolf and the rogue+wolf, because they have a second one which is also gorgeous, but I think I'm gonna use this one today because it has more neutrals. And I'm gonna go for these two darker shades. Slowly transitioning into lips, I'm gonna add white powder on the lips and you will understand why. I'm not sure if you're seeing the mirror right here, but I'm sorry, I need to see what I'm doing. Now for lips, I'm gonna use one of my favorite reds, which is Bewitched from Necromancy Cosmetica, and I'm gonna add a little on the inside and then smudge it around, mostly upwards and downwards, instead of just doing a super sharp lip kind of thing. Okay, so the makeup is finally done and I can't take this bullshit off. So this is the final look. I know the lips kind of look like they're in a cute shape, like kind of looks like a heart, but if you've seen the pictures then you know there's a prop on top of this. Bowie's barking, give it a second. So as I was saying, I know they look kind of cute, but if you've seen the pictures then you know that there's a prop on top of this that does not allow me to speak, so that is why I'm ending the tutorial here. So thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you liked it. I hope that I inspired you to create something similar like this. If you do recreate this look, which happened last time I was in this channel, I would love for you guys to tag me and rogue+wolf in the post so we can both see your beautiful creations. Also, thank you so much for all of your love and support. Really truly appreciate it from the bottom of our hearts. And don't forget to keep your notifications on for this channel. Don't forget to also comment, like, and subscribe, because you will never know who's gonna be up in this channel next. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you somewhere else on other platforms and videos and shit. Bye, motherfuckers!